Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On our last video, I'm discussing about that intraday bullish stock scanner. So that previous day should be the doji, and the next day if the market started with good volume and started with positive, so this scan will filter out those kind of stocks, and we are planning for a intraday buy opportunity on that particular stocks. So today we didn't get any stocks from based on the scanner. As you requested about the bearish stock, the same code, so little modification, so we can convert that into uh, filtering out the bearish stocks. So that I am going to discuss in this video, and let's move on to the video now. So this is the code where we are filtering out the stock which is present the previous day doji, uh, when it forms a doji candle, and the next day if market opens with a positive mode, so we are planning for a buy opportunity. So this particular area where we are finding out the doji, so kind of doji candle, and the next day if the market opens with a positive mode, so we are planning for a buy opportunity. So that is what important using this scanner, and this is about the stock which is increased up to 75%, 0.75%. If it is increased, so I'm going to take a long opportunity on that particular stocks. That is what main important about this strategy. And the volume, as well as that previous day volume also should be good, so compared to previous day, because the previous day was a perfect doji candle, right? So even the next day having good volume, so there will be a breakout, right? So here for example volume is 1 lakh, so next day it may be greater than the volume. So the latest volume is must be greater than the previous day volume, means so here high volume compared to previous day, so there is a breakout or breakdown, so it will find out maybe there is a big movement will happen on the next day, because the previous day should be the doji candle. But this code will help you to find out those stock which present on the doji, and the next day should be the positive opening. Okay, so someone asking about my comment on that link, that the description of the, sorry, comment on my YouTube video. So now I'm going to make the new one. So let's we copy it out, and we can go for a create a new scan. So I'll paste this scan, and I'm going to take futures. So I'm going to delete this. Sorry. Okay. So this is what a futures, where we are filtering out, we didn't get any stocks. Okay. So here this must be a doji. The first one should be the doji candle. So we don't want to change anything about the doji candle, because it is a previous should be the day doji. So in the next day should be we are going to take the negative candle. This is what a positive candle, but here we are going to take a negative candle. So here the open minus close, that is what a small changes, open minus close is less than or equal to, so it must be a less than or equal to, because this will filter out those stock which forms a doji by yesterday, doji or a spinning top by yesterday, and the stock is open, and if it is started falling down up to 0.0075 percentage, that is what if you are multiplying with this number, it is a nearby 0.7%. Okay, so this much of, if any stock which is down, this is in red in color, so any stock which is forms are down, so we are focusing for a selling opportunity on that particular stock, even if it is breaks below that level. So we have some good volume, because we have already added that volume factor also here. When you see that the volume factor, previous day the volume should be the today's volume, it is higher than the previous day volume, so means compared to previous day, today having a huge volume, so that will give you a clue, and the market has started moving down, right? If the market has started moving down when it is breaking below this level, so there is a sell opportunity on this particular thing. So that is another thing, and the candle should be red. The first day should be a doji or a spinning top, whatever it may be. The next day, if after starting the market, it must be a red in color, because the down day, so we are focusing for a down day. So to find out that particular down day, so here we have to modify this code. So simply we are going to the latest close less than the latest open. So means that is what a red in color. So now we are coded, our code is ready. So small changes in our code. So this is what a doji, and the second one, it must be down around 0.7%. The third one should be a red candle, and this is about the volume, and this is the volume which is greater than the next day, so a huge volume. So here we are filtering out using the some quality stocks only. So once I done this all the things, so it will filter out those stocks which forms a kind of pattern. So let me find out any stocks. Yeah, so Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, and Crompton Greaves, these are the stocks which is filtered by this scanner, and this is okay. So we will save this scanner by copy the name, just given the name for the scanner, bearish. So simple. So we are making the code for bearish stocks too. So I submit it. So yeah, this code is the scan is saved now. So you can search using this name. You will be finding out the scanner, or I will share you in my Telegram channel. So if you are not yet joined my Telegram channel, I have given the link in my description. You can use the link and join my Telegram channel too. So now, so these are the stock which is filtered by this scanner, Indian Oil Corporation. First of all, we'll check IOC. What happened in IOC? Yes, previous day should be a doji. Yes, previous day should be a doji, the first one we are giving you here. So if you want to compare the volume also, you can compare. So okay, it is greater than the previous volume here, and the next day volume should be greater than the previous day volume. So that is also working factor. So this volume factor also working, and this volume is greater than the number, so that is what filtered by the stock. And the latest, that is a red in color, so the stock is opening by itself, it isn't red. So everything was filtered out here. So this will find out the stock, but it is a gap down stock. So instead of taking a huge risk, so we may avoid, but it will work, working about our what we are planning for the trade, that was working perfect. So but it was a gap down, but even if it is after opening around 134, it closed by 133.3, so it is 1 rupee down and made a low of 132. So it is a less volume, less price stock, so it is moving 2 rupees, 3 rupees, that is good enough. And the second stock which we are taken for a down day is a Bharat BPCL. Again, IOC and BPCL, something about the energy, and this is also be opening by gap down. The previous day should be a spinning top candle. So normally, as per our candlesticks pattern, we are going to focus whether it is breaking down, the market is breaking this low, we are going to sell, but there is no opportunity at this point. But from the opening, it coming down to somewhere 426 to it coming down towards 422, and it is closing a negative day, right? And it is somewhere again another spinning top like that, forming at the bottom level. So we may ignore because it is not giving you opportunity. And the final one is Crompton Greaves. I think so. There is a Crompton. Crompton is in the future. So that is also okay. So here previous day doji, and it is also opening, and from after opening it is coming down to 452, and it is closed by the same level. If you are taking a shot at the opening price, the same level it is. And another important thing, if you are checking this Crompton, it forms a doji at bottom as well as double bottom in that double doji. So there is a some rejection at the lowest level, so price is coming down to the least price and again recovered, again coming down to this price, again recovered. So there is a good support at this point. So when the market is broken above this level, we can try to buy also, because the previous trend is very down and there is a forming a double doji at the bottom. So once it is broken that level, there is a possibilities of trend reversal is quite high in this particular stock. That is based on this way, so we can filter out many stocks. So but if you are using this volume factor, if you are reducing your number, so you will be getting lot of stocks. So if you're checking that, you will be getting another one more stock added here. So volume also plays a major role, so that is why huge volume stock I was taken. So we have a very small number of stocks. So this scanner will help you to find out those stock which forms a bearish for an intraday, so it will help you. So this is for a bullish one and this is for a bearish one. So you can make use of it, the scanner, or you can copy with that name. So you can search with the name, so you can copy the scanner and you make use of it, and I will share you in my Telegram channel also. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much for your time, and thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.